Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Żaneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. Today, we are exploring Taichung. Our day started with a food hunt, and just near where we parked, we found a ramen shop. Inside, we are greeted by a friendly Labrador, which made the experience even better. And the food? It was delicious. Our first stop was Ide Mansion, a stunning blend of Western and traditional Taiwanese elements. Ide Mansion, also known as Lin Maoyang's former residence, is located in Beitung District. Built in 1928, it showcases a unique fusion of traditional Chinese and Western architecture. Lin Maoyang, a prominent figure from the Shengan Lin family, commissioned the estate after marrying into the wealthy Lai family. The property features a traditional courtyard house with red brick walls and a raised main hall, symbolizing its importance. In 1929, an Art Deco-style building was added, designed for Lin's third wife, with intricate stone-washed finishes, imported Japanese glass windows, and bamboo pattern staircases. After World War II, the residence was converted into a military dependence village. Over time, it fell into disrepair, but was designed a historic building in 2007. Restoration work from 2013 to 2017 brought it back to life, and today it serves a cultural hub with cafes, exhibitions, and events that connect history with modern community life. Inside the building, you can find plenty of vintage furniture and even take pictures that make you look like you have stepped back in time. There are also a few food stores at the back of the building. Some people came here for a picnic, but overall, it's mostly visited by older folks. Next, we visited the Japanese dormitory area from the former Taichung prison, now transformed into a comic museum. There were so many stores featuring different comics and characters. It was fun to explore. This historic site, known as the Taichung Prison Officer Quarters, dates back to 1903, during the Japanese colonial era. You can even take comic-style photos and download them directly to your phone. Originally built to house prison officers and their families, it later became part of Taichung's judicial community. In 1924, as Taichung Prison shifted its focus from punishment to rehabilitation, the site expanded, showcasing various architectural styles, from traditional wooden homes to brick and wood hybrids, reflecting the ranks of the officers. Designed as historic building in 2013, it was restored and reopened in 2022 as the National Comic Museum, now offering exhibitions, workshops, and events celebrating the art of comics. If you enjoy Japanese-style communities, you can also visit Hinoki Village in Jai City, as well as the village in Podze Town, which are quite similar to this place. I have covered both of these locations, along with many more attractions, in my other videos and especially on my blog, so be sure to check them out. From there, we headed to Taichung City Hall and the Prefectural Hall, which stand opposite each other. Unfortunately, the Prefectural Hall is currently under renovation, so we couldn't see much. Taichung City Hall was built in 1911, while the Taichung Prefectural Hall was completed 2 years later. There are tours that allowed you to visit the interior of the Prefectural Hall. Next, we tried to visit the Suncake Museum, but we missed it by just a minute. The museum closes at 4 p.m., even though the shop stays open until 5:30 p.m. Since we were near the train station, we decided to check out Taroko Mall, located right behind it. We had dinner there, and by the time we finished, it was already dark. So we took a walk to see the Christmas decorations. Sadly, the decorations this year were quite underwhelming compared to last year. The train station had no decorations at all, though we did enjoy the barbecue shop nearby. It was as good as ever. We also stopped by Mitsukoshi Mall and Top City, but their holiday display weren't as impressive as they used to be either. After spending the whole day in Taichung, I felt a bit bored. I'm not sure if it was the cloudy weather or maybe my expectations were too high this time. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye!